Hey everybody, what's going on?
Hey, what's up? Thanks for watching. We're out here. We're going to do a little parts review of the new Thrashin stuff Dad got on Black Friday sale. Black Friday special.
Yeah, we got
Got all kinds of stuff here.
yeah, shifter linkage, brake pedal, shifter peg, brake pedal, or brake pad, I guess, and then shifter.
The shifter linkage?
Yeah, the shifter linkage and the shifter, and then something else.
Something else he didn't even know what he got.
Oh, just the brake pedal, yeah, the brake pad.
So we'll go through it all. We'll do an install so y'all know how to do it. And me and Jarrett haven't actually rode his bike since he put this other stuff on here. So we're gonna take it out for a test drive, and then we'll do the install. Then we'll ride it again.
Yeah,
and
we're gonna put the stuff on and then ride it and see.
Yeah.
If you can like really tell the difference.
Yeah.
So hopefully it works.
Yep, should be good.
Here we go.
Jerry's getting ready for his test ride.
How was it? Was it cold?
What's that?
Was it cold?
My legs were a little cold.
What is it, 50 right now?
It's like the warmest day it's been in a couple weeks, so not the best day to do it, but it is a little bit chilly still.
And it's been raining most of the day. So, Jarrett rode it here, Ben's gonna ride it
My
back.
turn.
I'm filming him because he might crash.
Why?
He's never rode that thing before. What do you think of it, Ben?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I don't know how to get this helmet off. This isn't my helmet.
You just push the button. You like it?
Yeah, I do like it. It's got a lot of freaking power.
It do?
Yeah, I think so.
Freaking thing rips, don't it?
Yeah.
It's a 117.
Well, just got back. The one thing I do notice about this brake pedal is kind of my foot's like here. And as soon as I try and brake, like I run into it as I try and move my foot up.
Yeah, it's big.
So I think that's something that you might have mentioned, or we'll try and see what the other brake pedal does. But that's something I definitely notice is, for one, it's really far up. Like I gotta put my foot like as far as it'll flex to get to it.
Yeah.
And when I try and get to it, I about run into it.
That's what the Thrashin boys said. That they moved theirs down, way down. And I'm hoping I can get mine adjusted down too.
Other than that, I've never rode this bike, but
you think the shifter?
Cool.
You think the shifter was all right?
Yeah, I think the shifter was all right.
When I
didn't have any problem shifting.
When I first started riding, I thought it was too long and far away. But
really?
I kind of got used to it, I guess.
That's what I was thinking about the brake pedal. You'd probably get used to just missing it with
You
your
don't.
foot.
You don't.
You don't?
No.
Okay, we're back from our little initial test drive. We're starting to get these parts unboxed. This is a little linkage level.
Shift
lever.
arm, I guess.
Shift arm?
It's a shift arm. It's the back
It's
one.
got the little logo on there. It is pretty cool.
Yeah. This is the shifter linkage. And there's the actual shifter.
Here's the shifter. So I guess you use this part still?
Yeah, because that's a Thrashin one. I had on there already.
Oh, that thing looks pretty neat too.
Yeah. Yeah, check this out.
Oh yeah, nice.
Thrashin.
So that's that.
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, we're gonna start getting these installed.
Okay.
Shifter arm.
We're trying to
Gotta get a socket for this.
we're trying to locate some tools.
18 socket sets, but that's right.
Lance, Juan, and Cole put the floorboards on, pegs on the back, this, brake pedal, handlebars, and risers and everything on our brake glides in 2.5 hours, they said. I don't think we can do that.
The handlebars.
That's the tool system.
The handlebars is a ordeal to put on, I think.
Well, on a road glide, they're easier.
Does it matter how that slides on them splines in there or not really?
Well, this thing's, yeah, there's a cutout in it. That's where the bolt goes through the cutout. See where it's got that?
Mm-hmm.
And then this goes this way because it's the way it is there.
So how do you know which spline to put that on?
It doesn't matter. I guess I should put Loctite on it, shouldn't I?
Probably. Ben, you got that off yet?
I'm trying to get a feeling I put it on the wrong side. Did I?
Yeah. It goes this way. Wow.
It's a little dabble, do you?
Right, buddy.
Yep, we gotta put the linkage on first before we put that shifter on.
This is
With the Thrashin stuff.
oh, really? Nice. Kind of high, but it was kind of high before. You can adjust it down maybe a little bit.
Well, I can adjust it with this, so.
That seems high, but that's probably where it was.
No, it's good because I can lower it some. It's good. So here's the difference in this and a Amazon one. I'll show you. On this one, when you turn this, it just goes this way. It doesn't move. These are the way they're supposed to be. See how that is raising the shifter up? Lower the shifter. That's how you adjust it. But this one, you don't do it that way. You gotta loosen these, turn them where you want them, stick it on there, and do it right. So that's the difference in a Amazon one and a
American made part.
Yep. So this is a regular thread here, and then that's a left-handed thread right there. See what I mean? You tighten it this way to tighten it.
Brake pedal.
Yeah.
And brake arm.
That fits? Yeah. Those are Loctite, so they might be already get broke loose.
Gotta take these floorboards off to get the brake arm off.
Well, after much tribulation, we got the little cotter pin out from behind this thing. Finally remove this. I don't know what we're gonna do about getting it back on, but
We gotta knock these bushings out and put these in the new brake arm. Where's the new brake arm?
it's right here.
Is this the right side?
That was the perfect size for that. What size socket is that? 5/8.
This has been kind of an ordeal so far.
Yeah.
But we're in the home stretch.
Yeah, there's a little cotter pin back there. It's impossible to get out.
I think they put it in there when they built the bike.
I built the bike around that.
Yeah.
We got her going now.
Alright, we just got back from our test ride, testing out these Thrashin parts. You can tell the shifter is like way tighter.
It's a lot more crisp.
Yeah, it doesn't wobble back and forth like stock one kind of felt like, but
Yeah, I mean there's no play in it anymore.
Yeah, that.
A lot more solid and sturdy feeling.
Yeah.
More premium feeling.
And the low profile brake pedal. That was way better. Like I said, when I got done riding, like my foot would like hit it, but this one like, I feel like the other one stuck out another
Yeah, the other
little
one
ways,
was a
but-
lot bigger. That thing feels good now.
Yeah, that I like the looks of that one too.
It's like the other
Yeah.
one. The other one had probably a 3/8 inch play, and this one's like nothing.
Yeah,
Very solid.
pretty sweet. We got the bar and the pedal. It's pretty sweet.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's definitely a lot better. But
Yeah, so it's got some Thrashin stuff on it now. Floorboards front and back.
ready for some thrashing. Yeah, this she kind of showed you that the adjustability in that. It's definitely better than the Amazon one. So, yep. We got some
I think they make a Thrashin brake reservoir cover. I should get that.
getting more thrashing stuff.
So,
So we
anyways, it's way better. Shifts a lot solid now.
yep.
So,
A lot better. So we got some other cool stuff coming down the pipeline. Maybe stay tuned for that.
look at that.
Probably a pretty cool
It's on
video.
TV.
Oh, that might have something to do with it right there. Stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching.
See you next time.